Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unbagging all three of my Ipsys for July. So I typically don't really do this one anymore, but this one's always really late for me. But this time the ultimate box was really late for me. So I was like, okay, we'll just do a triple unbagging here because I have them all here. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm just going to show you guys what is in all these so you can kind of see and compare if it is something that you guys would like or which box you want to subscribe to. This one is $12, this middle one is $25, and then this big one is $50. So let's see what we got. So I have to say I absolutely love the bags this month. They are so summery and just remind me of being at the pool. They have this like plasticky material that easily wipes off, and I just love this. So this says escape on it, and it has a little plane. They must have definitely planned this way in advance since most of us are not going anywhere right now. So the very first thing we got in here, this is from IT Cosmetics. It is their Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. IT Cosmetics has quite a few different brow pencils, and this one I will say is my least favorite. I really enjoy their skinny one that they had, the micro. I don't know if they still make that anymore. And then they have a gel-like finish one that I love, but they did send this over. It isn't a universal taupe. It is a nice size. This is about how much product we get as I roll it up. So that's a pretty decent amount of product. And usually universal taupe, I can make that work for me. So that is product number one in the Ipsy. I also got this Real Elemental Practice Phytocell Moisture. It's an all-in-one serum. This one looks like it has pretty good ingredients in it. It's supposed to even out the skin texture and boost skin condition while providing an instant hydration. We also got a little hemp's lotion. I love this, especially the original is my favorite. It almost smells like a banana scent to me, but this is their citrine crystal and quartz. It says positive body and soul. I don't know if I'll get a ton of use out of this because I do have so many hand creams, and it's not my favorite scent, but I do love hemp, so maybe I'll have to test it. I feel like I'm missing a product. Maybe I'm crazy. I'll have to check in my bag. Maybe there's something else. This is from Naked Cosmetics. I got the Naturally Nude. I think this is a pigment. Again, I don't really use a lot of pigments because I just think they are a little bit messy. So let me go ahead and swatch this. It is a rose gold. Really pretty color. And then there was a brush as well that was hiding away in my bag. Let's see, I'm trying to see what brand this is. It looks like SL Miss Glam, but I don't see. Oh yes, it is SL Miss Glam. She makes the cutest brushes. This is the Precise Eye E25. I really do like this. Look at this glitter. And this is definitely something I would use for like an outer corner brush. Really pretty. So that's probably my favorite thing in the bag actually. And that is everything that I got in my small Ipsy. Again, this is $12 a month. I have everything linked down below if you guys want to sign up for any of these. I'm really excited for the brush. I think we got our money's worth, but there's a few things I'm just really not feeling in this bag. So this one's a little bit of a disappointment for me. Let's see if the middle box does any better. This one is $25. I will say this is usually my favorite one. So if I always get questions like which one I like the best, and it's usually the $25 Glam Bag Plus. So here is the bag. Again, really cute. This one says Wanderlust, and it has the purple packaging on it. And then we got some fun products. First up, I believe this is the one that I picked out because they do let you do a choice for all your bags. This is the Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color from Il Makiage. This has really cool packaging. It's very heavy, I will say. How cute. It opens like this. And you got this eyeshadow. This is in Shopaholic called Color Boss. These are made in Italy, just really fancy packaging. So we got a single eyeshadow. This kind of looks similar to the color we got from Naked Cosmetics, but this feels like butter. So here it is, swatch on the bottom. Very similar to the Naked Cosmetics, but I would definitely prefer this single shadow over the Naked just for the ease of it, and this one just feels really good quality, so I'm excited for that. We also got something from Salmon Vagine. I don't know how to say that. This is the Hydroactive Eye Cream. It says anti-wrinkle and brightening, dermatologist tested by Duft and Doft. I have never heard of this before. It has a lot of ingredients, so I'm a little bit weary about trying this, and it has fragrance at the bottom. So I don't love fragrance for eye creams, So I might not be trying this. Maybe I'll put it in a little giveaway if you guys want it. Okay, next thing we got, this is from the brand Playa. This is the New Day Mist. I believe I have this already. It's okay. It's kind of a cool concept. It says it's a 3-in-1 style refresh, so it's supposed to smooth creases and restore style. So like, let's say you wore your hair up and it left a crease, you could spray this on to kind of get rid of it and just have your style again looking good for the day. But I do already have it. I just don't use it so much, so I know I'm not going to use mine up anytime soon. So I'll probably give this one to you guys as well if you are interested. It is a really cool concept. Another thing I'm probably going to give away is the Tarte Surfer Curl Mascara. I already own this already as well, and I love it, I will say. It's very good. I use it all the time. You guys could see it on like my Instagram. I'm always tagging it in my YouTube description as well. I really do enjoy this. So this is really cool that we got it in Ipsy because it is fairly new, and I love getting Tarte products. But yeah, this is a good one. So I am going to put this one in a giveaway as well for you guys. And then the last thing I got, this is from Real Her, the I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. Let's see, I think it's just a black eyeliner, and it does spin up, which I like that. So I'll go ahead and swatch this. Here is what that one looks like. So that was in my Glam Bag Plus for this month. A little let down with that one as well. I feel like last month I was like so hyped. I got so many good things, and this month I'm just kind of like, it's okay. I just got 2 repeats in that round, and then I'm really excited for this Untitled Shadow, but yeah, I don't know. This is kind of turning out to be a little bit of a fail this month. Okay, let's see what we got in the big one. This is the Glam Bag Ultimate for $50. Here is the bag. Usually the Glam Bag Ultimate has a decent sized one. Love the colors on this again. So fun. This almost looks like a little fanny pack if it had a strap. Very cute though. The first thing I got, I'm actually really excited for this. This is a highlighter from OFRA. And you guys know I love my OFRA highlighters. They are the best. So I've been really wanting this shade. It is the Glazed Donut highlighter from them, and it's like the perfect pearlescent highlighter that I am gonna love. I just know it. It is so stunning. So let me go ahead and swatch for you. Here is what it looks like. It is seriously so beaming and gorgeous. So I'm really, really happy that we got this in the Glam bag. We also got these 2 things from Beauty For Real. These look like little eyeshadow crayons. So we have the shadow sticks. These are 24/7 eyeshadow. I have 2 shades. We have Ever Starstruck and Midnight Marathon. I will swatch these for you guys as well. Here is the 2 shades. I will say these are a little bit on the sheer side for shadow sticks. They do take a little bit to build up, but that is what they look like. Just something you could throw on for a one and done eyeshadow look. We also got something from Nanette Lepore. This is the Beautiful Times perfume. Oh, this smells really good. This is very sweet, fruity, my kind of scent. I really do enjoy that. We also got these little eye gel patches. They are green tea eye gel patches from Jejun Cosmetic. So it looks like we have 3 of them in this package to use 3 pairs. I have so many eye patches. It is insane. I'm really excited for this. This is from Foxy Bay. I think this is what I picked out. This is the Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. I really like this brand. I've seen them a few times here and there at TJ Maxx, and these smell incredible, like the pink sugar perfume. All their products do. I have their leave-in cream. I've tried their sea salt spray, and I think their heat protectant as well, and I love everything. But I haven't seen these at TJ Maxx, the hair masks, so I'll show you guys what these look like. These are like little individual uses, which is kind of cool, so you don't have to like stick your finger in a tub or anything. It says it's crazy rich in vitamins and natural extracts to help glow up your hair game. So I'm really excited to try these, and I'm pretty sure they probably smell amazing as well. So next we have from Ciate London. This is their Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Have I tried this? I might have gotten this in a BoxyCharm, or maybe that was something else. I think that was the Everyday Vacay. So this I actually don't have, but it looks like this. Cute packaging. I'm always up for trying translucent powder. I can never have enough because I use it all the time, so we'll give that a shot. This is really cool. They have this brand in here, Awake. This is made by Tarte, so this is their Glow Pill Super Serum. This is also something I already have, so I'll probably put this in the giveaway, but it's really cool. The ingredients on this is really good. I don't think it has any fragrance in it, but I've been really impressed with this Awake line, so I'm pretty excited to see it in the Ipsy bags, but yeah, I do own this, so this will also go in a giveaway. We also got from Pure Lace, this is my favorite cleanser from them. This is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. It's a nice, gentle cleanser. I just adore their products. I love them so much. So this is what it looks like. I feel like they got new packaging, actually, because the other one used to be white. I'm for sure going to use this. It is absolutely one of my all-time favorite products from Pure Lace. We also got this. I've gotten this in a small Ipsy before. This is the coffee scrub, and you can use this in the shower. It's extremely messy, I will say, but it's basically, it smells like coffee. It looks like little coffee grounds, and you just exfoliate with it. We also got this palette. This is from Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette by Seraphine Botanicals. And this is vegan, no talc, no mineral oil, no parabens, all that stuff. So it looks like they include some really great ingredients. Ooh, this looks gorgeous. Here is the inside. There's some eyeshadows in the bottom, and then it looks like a highlight blush. Super pretty. I'll go ahead and swatch these colors. Oh, they're very soft as well. Here's the swatches, the eyeshadows going down, and then the two highlight blush on the side. These felt really good. They were very creamy. I cannot wait to try this. I'm loving the color scheme here. Definitely my kind of tone. So this definitely has me impressed by the swatches so far. We also got a little mini Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. The Glam Bag Ultimate does include a few small sizes. It's kind of a mixture of the Glam Bag Plus and the regular Glam Bag in one. We got some brushes from La Cruz. It says super fancy packaging. I'm pretty sure I have these. I think I might have gotten it in a BoxyCharm. Was not super impressed with these. They're just okay. I have so many brushes that I adore, so it's hard for me to try new brush brands because there's just certain things I look out for in brushes, and these just, I never ended up using them. So we'll go ahead and put those in the giveaway as well. I have a lot of giveaway items for you guys today, and that actually completes my ultimate unboxing. So I have to say I'm a little bit let down with Ipsy this month. I'm not just really into the products I got, and I feel like the big ticket exciting items are duplicates I already have. It's kind of my opinions this month. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, go ahead and leave a comment down below. What is your favorite subscription box? I'm super curious. I have a couple of new ones that I'm going to be showing here. I'm going to be showing you guys one from American Influencer, their beauty bundle, and also Glossy Box. So I have a lot of boxes coming if you guys want to watch those, because I love doing these kind of boxes. Also, if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to my channel as well. I do these fun random giveaways here and there in these videos, so you definitely want to watch. And that's gonna be it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.